Hi, guys. So, to go over what we're going to be working on in class today is the start of our research for our argumentative essay. So, we have 5 topics that we can go ahead and use. You guys will see this linked on Polaris underneath Monday's folder. It is the master document for research. You're going to go ahead and click on that to have access to all of these. You do not need to make a copy of this. The first thing that you're going to go ahead and do, you are going to look at these topics and select 2 that interest you the most. So if I'm you, I'm going to be like, okay, well, um, let's see. Zoos sounds interesting, and so does later school start times. So from there, you're going to go ahead and you are going to click on one of the hyperlinks that are provided to you. It will give you this chart that you will see for all of the topics that there are. And what you're going to do, the first thing, is read one of these articles from the both sides. You are doing this not just for one topic, but for 2 topics. So 2 topics, 1 article from the both section from each, which will give you 2 different point of views, 2 different perspectives on the 2 different topics. After that, you're going to go ahead, you're going to go back to Polaris, to your pro-con chart. And from your pro-con chart, you're going to tell me what topic you've chosen. So if after reading those 2 articles that provide you with information on both sides to the argument, you're going to go ahead and select which one you want. So I'm going to select zoos. Notice I am not taking a stance yet. I'm not choosing what side I'm going for. I am only putting the topic. What you're going to do now in the pro-con, okay? You are going to have a minimum of 4 claims total for each side, meaning you can go over this, but you should not have anything less. You're going to tell me 4 reasons why zoos are good. You're going to tell me 4 reasons why zoos are bad. If you can have more, then feel free to have more. You are not using any of the documents that have been provided for you to come up with these claims. These claims are totally your own opinion, okay? Then the next section of what you're going to go ahead and do, you're again going to put your topic. My topic is again zoos. So then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start researching my argument. Remember, you need to find an article by yourself that will be used in your argument for evidence. It is a requirement for the paper that you have one document that you have found by yourself, not from the chart that I have provided for you, to go ahead and support a claim that you make. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're basically going to copy and paste your claims that are the strongest from this section up above down here, okay? So my claims are all going to go here. Notice that there are 4 here. There are 4 up top. You can have more, but you don't need to have more. You need to have at least 4. Then what you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to add the hyperlinks to the articles that you have found and the quote. You're going to do this for both the pro and the con side. Again, you have not taken a stance, so you need to find evidence to support both sides to what you're saying. So my example, school uniforms are cost effective. That's a claim that I'm making for why they should be mandatory. I've done my research. I use this website, and I found the quote that uniforms are only bought once per year and can be worn the next if students have not outgrown them. That supports my claim that uniforms are cost effective. Basically, what this is doing for you, it's making it easier when you go to write your essay, when you go to map out your order of bronze, silver, and gold. I've also done it for the con side. Same thing. I've had my thoughts, my claims, and I'm finding evidence to support them. I've added a hyperlink so I can quickly and easily access these, and I've provided the quote. So my claim is that school uniforms should not be mandatory because they infringe on the First Amendment. I found the First Amendment from the United States Constitution. I went ahead and pasted it there. And my citation, my hyperlink would be a little bit more intricate than just the U.S. Constitution. I should be able to click on this and actually be taken to the document. Okay. That's what you're going to go ahead and that's what you're working on first. After you've done that, you can go ahead and look at my second video that will be underneath Tuesday so that you can go ahead and understand what you're going to be continuing to do on this document.